Hi everybody, these are the initiative by Bash Tutorials. So this is our first tutorial in which we are concentrating mainly to make Linux more user friendly, so that guys should understand and we should have a definite approach that how to steer ourselves to make ourselves comfortable in this operating system, right? So first I need to talk about Windows. If I'm talking about Windows, what you will do when you try to learn Windows? Will you be going to run button and go for lspi.cpl or services.msc? I don't think so. In the same way, your approach shouldn't be that I need to run commands on Linux. Your approach should be that I should know what structure Linux is pursuing, what is the file system, what type of directory structure Linux have. Likewise, in Windows we have program files, we have recycle bin, we have my computer, we have videos, we have my documents where I place my documents, where my pictures, where I place my pics. Whenever I install something in Windows, it goes into program file, right? So in this tutorial we will be concentrating mainly on what is the file system that Linux has. A typical Linux file system is having directory root, that point where all the directories are mounted. If I start with it, that there should be a slash, which means this is your directory root. The every directory which will be holding the respective data will be placed under slash. Now we can say slash is a parent directory. So what are its subdirectories? This is really crucial part. We need to concentrate on it. I can pick 4 to 5 subdirectories. The subdirectories are /etc, /bin, /home, /mnt, /root, /sbin, /usr and /var. So by name you can guess what these directories can hold, but for a layman, for a first time user of Linux, it is really difficult to guess. So shall I start with /bin? What /bin holds? All built-in programs. All programs which bash and which shell has built-in for kernel to execute are been placed in /bin. So don't try to remove /bin, otherwise no built-in commands will be executable. What /etc holds? /etc holds config info for the system, everything you install. Can I take an example, guys? The first example is Apache. If you run yum install apache, apt-get install apache, rpm-i Apache, the first conf files which are placed by default are under etc. /home, do you have users in your Windows? In the same way, /home hold your binaries. So here we are having two users. The users are Tom and Jill. So all the binaries, all the programs which Tom installed, they should be by default moving into /home, and all the programs which Jill install and all the documents which Jill pursue will be by default stored into /home of Jill. So why these home directories are important? Why these home directories are important? This question is really important. I want to take backup of a Tom user. Then what I will be doing, I will be running a script which will be moving the /home backup of Tom to the another server. In this way it is easily manageable, and there is a common platform for a user to fill in its data, and that common platform is /home. Now we will be moving to /user. What /user is holding? Any third-party programs or any extra things which are installed in our system are put in /user. If you talk about subdirectories of /user, these are /user include. /user include the programming code to compile in software. I want a Python, I want a Ruby, I want a Perl compilation. So there will be directories which are placed in include. These directories will be helpful for a third-party software like Python to use my kernel. /user share. All these shared application data, which may include icons, pics and docs, these all are placed in /user share. /user source. Uncompiled source data. If I talk about what is uncompiled source data, it is like a tar, zip or the source code, like the Oracle binaries, like the VMware toolzip. These all things can be found out in /user source. The main file system, which is really important for debugging and for troubleshooting the various issues, is /var. Mostly the log data and the process info, which is temporary or which is variable in our environment, is placed in /var. If I talk about messages, /var /log/messages. If I talk about run, /var/run. What /var/run holds? It holds all my PID procs which avoid multiple instances of program. Like I have PID 1579. It has been dedicated to Apache. Now that PID is been stored in /var/run. Now we should concentrate on /bin. /sbin. So what's the main difference between /bin and /sbin? If you see the document as well, /bin is all built-in program and /lbin is built-in program usually for root. There are few commands which you want only root users to execute. Those commands should be placed in /bin, /sbin, and the commands which you want that whole globally it can be executed, those commands are placed in /bin. So this is the main structure which Linux holds. So one should have a clear understanding of various directory structure of Linux before mainly focusing in Linux Advanced and Linux compilation.